Alright, you guys, so for today's project, this is what you will need: some quick splices, some wire, 18 gauge wire, you can use 16 gauge if you like, and some fully insulated disconnect. So we're gonna try to make these lights work with just the daytime running lights and when you want to use your headlights. So let's get started. We're gonna cut at least a foot of this. Hey you guys, so as you can see, I just unplugged it. It wasn't plugged, but it was just being held here in this little clip there, right there. You just pull it straight out like this. We're gonna be using these wires here, the green, the pink, and the green. All right guys, since I do want them to work when the headlights are off and when they're on, I'm gonna use two wires. They're about a foot long. All right, I'm just gonna strip the edges and strip the edges. All right, I couldn't find anywhere to set up the GoPro, so this is the best I can do. But look, you cut a foot of the wire, you strip them, and then you twist them together, and this is going to be your male connector. You see, it's gonna go here. It has to be really thin. Okay guys, so now you're gonna use this to plug it here. That should do it. I'm still gonna wrap tape around it to make sure it's secure. That's it. Okay. This is gonna be one of your connectors. Each one of these wires, one's gonna go to your green and the other one's gonna go to your pink. Green, pink. Alright guys, I found some tape. There you go. So now we have to do the same thing to the red we ran, to the red from the Raptor lights. I ran it through here. So now we gotta open up the fuse box again. Kind of hard with one hand. So now we're gonna unplug the fuse We're not gonna use a fuse no more. I have to set the camera down. Should I just strip it? So I gotta struggle with pulling it out here. Oh, never mind. Come on. You want to remove the fuse? Oh, that's just what's over here. Alright, so now you remove the fuse you used. See it? Now we're gonna put it back where it was. Put it back. We're not gonna use that anymore. So now we gotta take this back out. Guys, and that was pretty easy. Oh shit. All right, and now it's back out. Okay guys, so now we're gonna use a female or male disconnect and add it to this. So we're not gonna use the add-on fuse anymore. I'll show you guys right now. That off. And we strip this. Last chance, guys. There you go. So this is your female, this is your male. They're gonna go like this. All right. set, so it won't go anywhere. Alright guys, so we're gonna have to connect it here to these little wires here. Can you see? To the green and the pink. I know it's dark in there and it's tight. Alright guys, so I had to slice the OEM insulation thing. Alright, should be able to get to it there. So you're gonna use these. Alright, so the green on one, and then one of these wires on one, and then the pink on one, and then one of these wires on the pink. Let's try it. Alright guys, that was kind of difficult, but you guys should be able to do it. This is what it looks like after. So you see I ran the pink through there, and then I put one blue. And then I ran the green through there, and then I put one blue. Now you just have to plug this to your red. Alright, let's test it. Let's see if we did it right. Hopefully we did, man. Alright, let's test it. Alright guys, so I don't know if I did it right. Copied the video, but now when I turn my light on to daytime running lights, they won't turn on. But if I skip to the parking lights, the grille's on and the daytime running lights on. So I'm not sure what's going on. Look, I'll show you guys. Alright guys. Alright, so there it's on. It's on daytime running lights, right? Nothing's on. Nothing's on. But if I turn it to the next one, they turn on. Are these the parking lights? You know, the daytime running lights are on. These are on. Is that how it's supposed to be? We'll find out. Hopefully nothing breaks in a few weeks. Let me know if you guys know if I did it right or not. Now I'm just gonna close everything back up, make it look all nice. It's on there. I might tape that up. Yeah, that's how it turned out. I can have the fog lights on too.